Think you're stuck selling only one course on Systeme.io's free plan? Let me show you how I turn a single course into multiple offers, all without spending a cent. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. So let's talk about how I sell more than one course or digital product on the free plan of Systeme.io, even though you only get one course slot. When I first started using Systeme.io's free plan, I thought having just one course meant I could only sell one single course or digital product. But I realized there's actually a powerful way to use that one course space as a kind of digital product hub where I can sell multiple different offers. Here's how I do it. Inside Systeme.io, each module in your course can be treated like its own separate product. Instead of giving everyone full access right away, I use a feature called partial access. This lets me choose which modules someone can see after they make a purchase. For example, in my own business, I have my main course, Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget, inside my course space, but I also have other digital products, bonuses, and optional add-ons stored as separate modules inside the same course. When someone buys one digital product inside the course, Systeme.io automatically sends them an email with access just to that specific module with the product. Here's the smart part. Even if they only bought one product, they'll still see the titles of the other products or modules when they log into their account. Those locked modules act like gentle promotions because people know there's more they could unlock if they want to. Plus, inside each module, I can mention my other bump offers or digital products and encourage people to check them out. This means I can sell small products like a single mini training, bundle several modules into a bigger offer my entire course as full access, and promote other digital products directly inside my course. It's a brilliant way to turn one single course slot on the free plan into a full digital product shop without paying for extra tools or needing multiple course slots. Of course, the exact steps to set this up and how to structure your offers is something I teach in detail inside my course, but even knowing that this is possible can completely change how you think about what you can achieve with Systeme.io's free plan. So if you've been feeling stuck because you only get one course slot on the free plan of Systeme.io, don't worry. With a bit of creativity, you can use that one space to sell multiple offers, grow your income, and give your audience more ways to work with you, all without spending a cent more. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.